Then we'll crochet the big cat's legs with white yarn. Work into a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your fingers like this. Make loop around your mid finger, pinch the crossover. Insert hook into the loop on mid finger, hook the yarn and pull up loop. A magic ring is formed on mid finger. In round 1, start with 1 chain stitch, then work for some crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Let's start. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work for some crochets. Mark the first single crochet. Continue to work 3 more single crochets in the same way. For some crochets are done, pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 1 is done. In round 2, start with 1 chain stitch, then work set off 1 single crochet or increase twice. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Work 1 single crochet. Mark the first stitch. Next, work 1 increase. Namely, we work 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. 1 set is done. The second set. Work 1 single crochet. Next, work 1 increase. Two sets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 2 is done. Turn the fabric. Wrap the orange yarn around your fingers. Pinch the yarn tail and the fabric together like this. In round 3, start with 1 chain stitch, then work 6 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 6 single crochets. Put the yarn tails above the hook. Mark the first single crochet. Continue to work 5 more single crochets in the same way. Six single crochets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 3 is done. In round 4, start with 1 chain stitch, then work set of 2 single crochets or increase twice. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Work 2 single crochets. Mark the first single crochet. Continue. Next, work 1 increase. Namely, we work 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. One set is done. The second set. Work 2 single crochets. Next, work 1 increase. Two sets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 4 is done. In round 5, start with 1 chain stitch, then work 8 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 8 single crochets. Mark the first single crochet. Continue to work 7 more single crochets in the same way. Eight single crochets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 5 is done. In round 6, start with 1 chain stitch, then work set of 3 single crochets or increase twice. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Work 3 single crochets. Mark the first single crochet. Continue to work 2 more single crochets. Three single crochets are done. Next, work 1 increase. Namely, we work 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. Okay, 1 set is done. The second set. Work 3 single crochets. Next, work 1 increase. Two sets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 6 is done. Break the orange yarn, leaving a yarn tail. Cut off this white yarn tail. Stretch the loop and remove the hook. Pull the yarn tail out. Hide the yarn tail inside. One leg is completed. Please crochet 3 more legs in the same way.